Hello, 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 my lovely friends. Good morning here. I made a bit of a boo. I did something earlier on, so it's going to be take two. Take two of good morning. How are you doing today on this beautiful Wednesday? Shall we say? Sorry, guys. I'm just waiting along for just a couple minutes as things go along a little bit. And I just wanted to really talk about this beautiful Wednesday. I call it my Action Wednesday because I like to barrel on and do things. But first of all, let me know where you're tuning in from. And if you're watching this later on today, hashtag replay. Okie dokie, my lovely friends. So, as I carry on today, as I call this my Action Wednesday, why? Because the first thing I do on my Action Wednesday is gratitude, affirmations, decent workout, have a nice shower, and get moving for the day. Because that's part of the actions I do on a daily basis, because I like to take action daily. But when I like to do it on Action Wednesday, it's my favorite thing. And I'm a little bit of a night owl, so I was up a little later, so I'm kind of doing a 24-hour thing. I'll probably go for a little snooze in a bit. But it's just sometimes I get really keyed up because I get really strong when I want to do some days. And then I get so happy because, as you know, my page has changed. It's changed dramatically. And I've had a bit more of a, shall we say, more engagement on it these days. And I bet you guys are wondering, what the heck is she doing to do so well? And you've already seen that I've actually been earning some wonderful, consistent income lately. Some consistent payouts. And I normally don't do that. And I've been sharing it as well. And then you're probably thinking, what is she sharing about this for today? But the reason why I'm talking about this for is because I've been part of a beautiful digital marketing platform, or I would say a digital training platform, or basically a task-based platform that helps those of us, or a lot of people who are fairly new or been around for a while in the marketing world and not getting much shall we say, engagement on their page, or their payouts are not very good, or the leadership of the company is not that great, or things are just not going right. Well, this beautiful platform that's come along for me has helped me as a newbie to achieve more success in this past few weeks than I've done in about 2 years, just put it that way. And I like to call it, the one thing that I like to share quite often, and I would call it a better way to approach traffic, or organic traffic, by completing tasks and earning. That's it. That's all I do. And by doing this, I'm actually building my business better online, helping brand myself. And that's what we can do when this new program arises. All the members on this program are doing fantastically, phenomenally well, because the leadership and the success coaches are wonderful. And they know what to do. And when they share their information and they teach this, we're all doing well. And I bet you're wondering what the heck is going on with her. She's just used to do so much. I mean, basically, I never used to do I stopped doing my videos because I'm working on more things. But I do like to take out this video because this video is important, because it's an exciting Wednesday. Why? Because at 7 p.m. today, we're going to have a webinar to talk about our wonderful platform. And the webinar is going to be 7 p.m. Eastern time. And I thought this would be a good time to share this morning as I carry on for my day and my Action Wednesday, as I like to call it, because I love the idea of really taking action, doing daily tasks, engaging on my page, sharing and giving value on a daily basis. Because that's a part of what it is when you work online. That's how you get more engagement. That's how you get the traffic to your page. And that's why I want to share that today, because today at 7 p.m., you got to come join with me on this awesome, beautiful webinar that's happening at 7 p.m. Eastern time today. And you're going to be really surprised how uniquely and wonderful this platform is. Plus, guys, if you're still tuning in, later on today, hashtag replay, Let me know where you're coming from, where you're tuning in from as well. Again, I'm sharing that too, because everyone is going to be really surprised how I have changed with my wonderful page, and how you can change too as well with this wonderful, wonderful platform, this digital marketing platform, this task-based platform. And you can start to earn consistently like I am doing, as I'm sharing right now on my page, as you see my page these days, which has totally changed, but it's changed for the better with this wonderful platform I'm on today. So I will see you on the other side of success, and hope to see you there at the webinar tonight at 7 p.m. today. Have an awesome day, my lovely friends. Bye.